My name is Tracy Cheetham, and I am the instructor for the Corporate Supply Chain Certificate for UNF.
And I'm Joe Shedlowski, the instructor for the UNF Certified in Logistics, Transportation, and Distribution program. Tracy and I will be discussing a quick overview of these two programs to provide you with context when selecting which program is best for you. Let's start with describing supply chain in general. In this diagram, you can see some of the job titles for the 5 primary management processes in the supply chain operations reference model: plan, source, make, deliver, and return. If you don't see your job title there, you may be able to position your job function using this conceptual outline.
The UNF Corporate Supply Chain Certificate covers these 5 primary supply chain processes at a strategic and tactical level. The business, technical, and leadership dimensions are covered.
The UNF CLTD program takes a more detailed exploration of the deliver and return and related planning processes. The learning styles in the CLTD program were more focused on the visual, auditory, and reading and writing learning styles of the VARC model, but there are kinesthetic elements in there too.
In the Corporate Supply Chain Certificate, we use Clubber's Magic Circle, where simulation is used to provide a real-world experiential learning, and reflection exercises can relate back to your own work environment. The Corporate Supply Chain Certificate, we use a configuration of the Fresh Connection, which is specific to the UNF program. The Fresh Connection is a beverage company making a loss, and this is the case that we use. We access the company using an internet connection from any device, and we use an ebook by Ed Wink, Mastering the Supply Chain as Text for the CSCC.
For the UNF CLTD program, we primarily use the APICS CLTD learning system. It's a comprehensive study tool with content, a study guide, practice questions and quizzes, and other learning tools. It includes the CLTD course text materials and is also accessed using an internet connection from any device. In today's environment, with so many supply chain challenges, particularly in the area of logistics, there is benefit to both individuals and to their organizations when knowledge is enhanced in this discipline. While it's not mandatory for participants in the UNF CLTD program to complete the APICS certification exam, becoming certified adds additional value, and this course is designed specifically to cover the exam content.
In the UNF Corporate Supply Chain Certificate, this is about practice in dealing with increasingly uncertain and ambiguous environments in supply chain context of today. By being increasingly challenging and more complex with the situations as we progress through the course. Well, we hope that this short discussion helps you in selecting which program you choose for your study.
Thank you for joining us in this presentation.